So in this video we are going to see another lead code problem. Problem number is 1684. Count the number of consistent strings. You are given a string allowed consisting of distinct characters and an array of string words. A string is consistent if all the characters in the string appear in the string allowed. Return the number of consistent strings in the array words. Example 1 is given. We are given a string allowed, that is AB, and an array of strings words a b b d a a b b a a b a d a b, and what we have to do is we have to check how many words in the uh, array string is uh, matching to the given allowed string. So let's first of all understand the code, problem statement and logic, and then we will code. So now let's look at the logic. First of all, we have taken the allowed string and the string of and the array of strings. So first of all, what we will do is for the allowed string AB, we will create an unordered map MP, and in that we will store the character and its occurrence, that is A and B, and its occurrence, that is both has occurred one time. Now we will traverse each. Now we will check for each given string in the array of strings. So first of all we will check for AD. So for A we know that the value will be 1 because A is present in the array and the count of A is 1. For D it will be 0 because D is not present in the map, so it will be 0. So whenever we get a 0 we will break and will come out and will not count this string. So let's move on to the next one. For B and D, B will be having a count 1 but D will be having a count 0, so we will not consider this also. Let's see this one. A will be having a count 1, and again for all the A's the count will be 1 only. We are just checking what is the count in the given map, and for B also it will be 1. So for this we can include this in our answer. Let's check for this one. For B the count will be 1 and for all the A's the count will be 1, so this can also be included in our answer, this one and this one. And now let's check for this one, that is BADAB. For B it is 1, for A it is 1, but for D it is 0, so we will not include this in our answer. So whenever we are getting uh, that we have to include a given string in our answer, we will just increment our count value, so it finally we will have count value as 2, so we will return 2. So the answer for this case will be 2. So let's now write the code for this problem. First of all we will create a map, unordered map, and the values in that will be character and int, and mp is the name of the map. Now we will run a loop for auto x on allowed. What we have to do is we have to store the count of, we have to store whatever the elements that we are getting in the allowed array, allowed string. We are storing the character and integer value, and the character whatever we are getting that we are storing, and the integer we are storing as 1. You can also take it as plus plus, so that it will store 1 only in that case also. So int answer equals to 0. Basically this will store our answer, final answer. And now we will run a loop on auto y words array, and again in that on each string we have to run a loop, but before that let's create a variable is consistent, and its value should be 1 initially. And let's run another loop auto c, which will run on each string of the array, and we will check if our in the map if that character count is 0, then what we have to do is we have to change the value of is consistent to 0, and also we have to break out of this loop because we know that this cannot be our answer, the current string cannot be our answer. And finally, if any time we do not go in that if condition and comes out of the loop, then we will check if is consistent value is equals to 1, then we know that we have to include this string in our answer, so we will do simply answer plus plus, and finally we will return whatever the answer value that we have. So now let's check this code. So as you can see, it has executed successfully. So that's all for this video. If you want to see more such tutorial videos, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you.